Hey guys, this is Jessica, and today I'm going to be unboxing the March 2020 Mix Me Inspired kit from Junction. So on the insert, it's going to talk about what's in the box, and it also is going to give you an exclusive code to the store. And the first product we're looking at are the liquid pearls, and they're a dimensional pearlized paint. Then we have the exclusive pin for the month, and this is a heart that I actually drew. Then we have the Stabilo wall pencil in black, and this is a water activated pencil, so it has a lot of different uses with it. Then there's a sticker book that has 6 sheets of stickers, both in white and black, and it has all kinds of quotes and different things on it, so it's really cool to include in your art journals or your handmade cards. Then we have some collage sheets that I actually painted on, lots of different colors and patterns and doodles. They're really good for collaging. You can stamp on them, do lots of different things, so those will be included in your kit. And then some old magazine pages that have some vintage pictures, text, lots of different things. There's also a cover of a magazine, so lots of uses for that as well. And the last thing we have here are acetate pieces that are adhesive backed, and some of them are layered and dimensional. There's little gears, there's flowers, leaves, and some stones. Lots of cool elements there that we can use and incorporate in our artwork. I'm really excited about this box. I have a lot of ideas already going on in my head of things I want to create. And I also want to see what you're creating, so be sure to share your artwork with us on social media using hashtag MixedMediaInspired. And if you also want to become a part of this monthly subscription and get awesome products in your mailbox every month, check out the description below. I'll put all the info there. Thank you so much for watching.